Hey, today I'll cover the basic differences between dermatofibroma and dermatofibrosarcoma protuberance, DFSP, in 2 minutes. Of course, there are so many variations and different microscopic features and subtypes of each entity. In this video, I'll cover the main ones, starting with dermatofibroma, which is usually has a jagged pattern, as you can see, like here, these areas. These are considered as a jagged or pattern. The cellular population of dermatofibroma is usually polymorphous, with a round to spindle neoplastic cells with surrounding reactive macrophages, and there is characteristic collagen trapping at the periphery of the lesion, as you can see it right here. For example, in these areas, you can see the collagen entrapment. Uh, Also, some features that might help you to define that this is dermatofibroma is the presence of multinucleated giant cells or hemosiderin. These favor dermatofibroma. Also, there's one very important feature, which is the thickening of epidermis, which is usually acanthotic, and showing some tabling. This feature, which is the flattening of the epidermis, is called tabling. So when you compare epidermis right here to here, it's actually thickened and more flat due to the lesion pushing the epidermis. In contrast, dermatofibrosarcoma is more of a monomorphic lesion. Cells look all similar. They resemble each other, as it is the result of a translocation with the so-called storiform pattern, with no or minimal ATPR. If you see ATPR, you should doubt that it is DFSP, unless like if the patient had a history of radiation or so on. When you look at the epidermis, it lacks the thickening or the acanthotic appearance we saw in dermatofibroma, and there is the infiltration of adipose tissue in a honeycomb pattern. You can see, for example, this is an example of infiltration of adipose tissue. The adipose tissue mostly is replaced by neoplastic cells. The fourth feature to differentiate the two entities is the CD34 positivity. I'll leave you with a table summarizing most of the findings between the two entities. And if you find this video useful, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for Path Presenter, which is my resource for the digital slides.